Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being bird. Now I absolutely love painting birds, so I'm really excited to get into this. So coming into this piece, with the word being bird, I already knew what I wanted to make for this piece. So back in college, using these exact materials, I would make bird splatter paintings where I would make a bird emerging from like an ink pool. So with this piece, I just went with a generic bird. I just wanted to make a bird that you could kind of decide what you wanted that bird to be on your own. I think with the splatter style, it already sits kind of in this world of ambiguity, and you can just kind of fill in the spots with what you want. But I'm gonna sit back and enjoy this piece. I will be quiet, and I'll see all of you guys at the end of this video with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word bird. I think this turned out really pretty, but you're going to have to let me know what you think down below. Now make sure you don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're going to be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to do these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!